First of all, thank you so much for messaging me and letting me know that you all are interested in such kind of recipe videos. So today I am starting with a powerful natural drink that will help you to lose up to 5 kgs in a month, provided you eat healthy and drink lots of water. This drink will help you to burn fat faster and get rid of that stubborn belly fat. So let's start with making this wonder drink, and at the end I will share with you all the benefits of this drink and also some important tips. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So for making this drink, in a pan add 1 glass of water and allow it to boil. Till the water is boiling, please spare some time and do subscribe to my channel for more such recipe videos, and send me your opinions and feedbacks by commenting below. And if you like this video, then hit that like button and share this video with your near and dear ones. The water has come to a boil, and now we will add 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon to it and boil it for another 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame and put a lid over it and allow it to cool down completely. Once the water cooled down completely, pour it in a glass. Now we will add a teaspoon of honey into it and mix well. The cinnamon honey drink is now ready to consume. Have this tea on an empty stomach in the morning, and for best results have another cup at the bedtime. Benefits of consuming this drink are enormous. First of all, it boosts metabolism, and as we all know that increase in metabolism is directly proportionate to weight loss. Second benefit is it stabilizes blood sugar levels, and again stability in blood sugar plays an important part in weight loss. Then it reduces bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol in the body. It also helps in stomach upset and enhances the process of digestion. It is a great drink for diabetic patients as it helps in managing blood sugar spikes. It has antibacterial properties, and that is why it helps to fight with various infections in the body. It helps in balancing hormones, and so it is a great natural remedy for those having thyroid and PMS issues. But for getting all these benefits, you must use best quality cinnamon sticks. There are 2 varieties available in the market. The first one is on the left hand side and the other one is on the right hand side. The first one is the best quality of cinnamon. It is the outermost bark of the cinnamon tree and hence contains more oil content, and thus the benefits are also high. These cinnamon sticks are not very pretty to look at but very much beneficial for the health. The second one is the second or third quality of cinnamon, which contains less oil and not very much beneficial to the health, but yes, their texture is very much fine. So the tips are: number 1, do try this drink with the best quality cinnamon and get maximum benefits out of this. And second, do not take this drink continuously for more than 2 weeks. So that is it for today. I shall meet you in my next video. Do try this recipe and send me your feedbacks. Till then, stay healthy and be happy. Bye bye.